Good. What can I do for you?
Oh, I just want to know, are you familiar with the 17 board election?
No.
Did you know we had a board?